Hi, how's everyone? Hope everyone is staying safe with COVID. This video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and stunning looking biryani. Before that, please click like and subscribe. Thanks, mate. Okay, let's start. First, we are going to marinate our beautiful lamb. I'm using lamb backstrap, but you can use any cut you prefer. You can also use other meats if you prefer. So put the lamb into a bowl and add 1 teaspoon of rice oil, 2 tablespoons of ras el hanout, and half teaspoon of salt, then rub well. Next, we'll prep our rice. Wash 220 grams of basmati rice 2 to 3 times and leave the rice in the colander. Chop half a red onion, watch your finger. 2 tablespoons of rice oil into a pot and turn heat to mid. Stir the onion. Add half teaspoon of garlic and 1 teaspoon of ginger. You can use a tube or bottled ginger. Next, add 1 teaspoon of ras el hanout. Our washed rice, then stir well. Add 50 grams of raisin and 250 grams water. Cover with a lid, turn off the heat, then leave 30 minutes. Now prep the vegetables. Chop half the capsicum, 1 carrot, and half the zucchini. And cut 150 grams of cauliflower into small pieces. Next, making the cucumber lighter. Cut the cucumber in half. Remove the seed, then chop into the small pieces. Chop 5 grams of coriander and put into a bowl. Zest a lemon. Cut, then squeeze half into the bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of yogurt, half teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of pepper and mix well. Now we'll cook the rice. Put the rice pot over a low heat, then simmer until the water is gone. Once the water is gone, turn off the heat and leave 30 minutes. Next, sear the lamb. 1 tablespoon of rice oil in a fry pan over a high heat. Sear the lamb backstrap on both sides. On the right is the chicken version. Smells so beautiful! After both sides are sealed, wrap the lamb with foil and leave it. Next step, the cooking the vegetables. Put 2 tablespoons of rice oil into a wok. Add 2 teaspoons of ras el hanout and stir well. Stir in the carrot and the capsicum. Add half teaspoon of garlic and 1 teaspoon of ginger, stir well. Next, the cauliflower, zucchini, and 60 grams of edamame. Frozen is okay. And 1 teaspoon of salt, then cook the vegetable through. I like my carrot a little crunchy. Almost finished, everyone. Remove the lid, add the cooked vegetable into the rice, and mix well. Unwrap the foil. Slice the lamb. Put the biryani rice on the plate and place the sliced lamb on top. Serve with cucumber raita. Easy to make and great for dinner parties. Thank you for watching. See you next time.